Have you ever wondered how to start trading in the Nepal share market? What if we told you that it's not as intimidating as it seems? At its core, a share market is a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade company shares. These shares represent a fraction of ownership in a company. Now, why is the Nepal share market significant, you may ask? Well, the market plays a pivotal role in the country's economy, facilitating the flow of funds from those who have surplus capital to those in need of it. It's a world full of opportunities where even beginners can make their mark. Trading in the share market isn't just about buying low and selling high, it's about understanding market trends, making informed decisions, and yes, being ready to take calculated risks. It's an exciting journey that can potentially bring you significant financial rewards. In this video, you will learn about the step-by-step process of trading in the Nepal share market. Before you dive into trading, it's crucial to develop the right mindset. This isn't just about understanding markets and studying trends. It's about cultivating patience, discipline, and emotional control. Patience is key because in trading, rushed decisions often lead to losses. It's like a game of chess where every move should be calculated and strategic. Discipline, on the other hand, is about sticking to your plan, even when market swings tempt you to deviate. You've got to have a set of rules and follow them no matter what. Emotional control is equally important. Markets can stir strong emotions, from the thrill of a win to the disappointment of a loss. But to succeed, you need to keep these emotions in check and make your decisions based on logic, not feelings. Moreover, understanding the concept of risk and reward is vital. Every trade carries a potential for profit and a risk of loss. Balancing these two is the essence of trading. A strong trading mindset is the foundation for success in the share market. To start trading, you need to open a DEMA account. A DEMA account, short for dematerialized account, is a must-have for anyone interested in dabbling in the share market. It's like a virtual vault where your shares are stored in electronic form, making trading a breeze. So how do you open a DEMA account in Nepal? It's quite straightforward. You'll need to approach a registered depository participant. These are banks or financial institutions authorized by the Nepal Securities Board. The first step is to fill out an account opening form. Along with this, you'll need to submit a few documents: your citizenship certificate, a passport-sized photo, and a copy of your PAN card. Once the application is processed, you'll receive a unique DEMA account number, which will act as your key to the world of trading. Remember, it's essential to keep your account active by regularly trading or investing. Now that you have your DEMA account, you're ready for the next step. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to trading. When we talk about trading, it's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the market, the trends, and the factors that influence these trends. Think of it like driving a car. You wouldn't just hop into a vehicle and hit the road without first learning the basics, would you? It's the same with trading. To navigate the market effectively, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts first. So, where do you start? Well, there are numerous resources available at your disposal. Books are a great place to begin. Titles like A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market or The Intelligent Investor can provide invaluable insights into the world of trading. They can help you understand the jargon, the strategies, and the mindset required to succeed in this field. In addition to books, there are several online courses tailored specifically for beginners. These courses often break down complex trading concepts into easy-to-understand modules, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses on trading, covering everything from the basics to advanced strategies. Seminars and workshops can also be incredibly beneficial. They provide an opportunity to learn directly from seasoned traders and industry experts. Plus, they often involve interactive sessions, allowing you to ask questions and clear doubts in real time. Remember, the goal is not to memorize every single detail, but to build a strong foundation. It's about understanding the market dynamics, interpreting data, and making informed decisions. The more you learn, the more your confidence grows. And confidence, paired with knowledge, can be a powerful tool in the world of trading. Don't rush the process. Take your time to understand and absorb the information. Practice what you learn, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep refining your strategies. Armed with the right knowledge, you're one step closer to making your first trade. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so don't be daunted by the journey ahead. With the right mindset and the right knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a successful trader. Technical analysis is a vital tool for traders. It's like a compass guiding you through the choppy waters of the stock market. Technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate securities and identify trading opportunities by analyzing statistics gathered from trading activity, such as price movement and volume. Imagine you're an explorer venturing into the wild. Just as you would study the terrain, weather patterns, and wildlife behavior, in trading, you study price movements, market trends, and chart patterns. This analysis helps you predict where the market may be headed, giving you an edge in making your trading decisions. Let's delve into some fundamental concepts of technical analysis. First up, we have trends. Trends refer to the general direction in which a security is headed. There are three types of trends: upward, downward, and sideways. Identifying the trend is the first step in making a trading decision. If the trend is your friend, you'll want to be on the right side of it. Next, we have support and resistance. Think of these as the floor and ceiling of price movements. Support is the price level at which demand is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from declining further, while resistance is the price level at which selling is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. Understanding these levels can help you identify potential reversal points and plan your trades accordingly. Finally, we have chart patterns. These are specific patterns formed by price movements that signify future price movements. They're like the footprints of the market beasts, telling us where they might be headed next. Some popular chart patterns include the head and shoulders, double tops and bottoms, and triangles. Technical analysis might seem complex at first, but with practice, it becomes an invaluable tool in your trading arsenal. It's like learning a new language. At first, it's all Greek to you, but with time and practice, you start to understand, and soon you're conversing fluently. So, don't be daunted, embrace the learning curve, and let technical analysis guide your trading journey. Before you start trading with real money, try paper trading first. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is paper trading? Well, it's essentially a risk-free method of learning the ropes of trading. Paper trading is a simulated trading process in which budding traders practice buying and selling securities without risking real money. Think of it as a dress rehearsal for the actual performance. You get to test your trading strategies, learn from your mistakes, and gain confidence, all without the fear of losing hard-earned cash. Now, how can you do paper trading in the Nepal Stock Exchange, or NEPSE? Simple. NEPSE offers a virtual trading platform where you can practice trading. This platform mimics the real stock market, with live trading data from the NEPSE itself. To get started, all you need to do is register on the platform, create a virtual portfolio, and start buying and selling stocks. You can monitor your portfolio's performance, make adjustments, and learn to navigate the market's ups and downs. Remember, the aim here is not to make profits, but to learn and understand the market dynamics. The more you practice, the better you'll get at predicting trends, making informed decisions, and ultimately managing risk. So give paper trading a go. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of trading. It's all about practice, learning, and gaining experience. Paper trading gives you a taste of the real trading experience without the financial risk. You've learned the basics, practiced with paper trading. Now it's time to start real trading. So, where do we begin? Well, the first step is to start small. It's natural to feel a rush of excitement when beginning this new journey, but it's important to keep your emotions in check. Instead of diving headfirst, dip your toes into the trading waters. Start with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. This will allow you to learn the ropes without risking significant financial damage. Next, keep a trading journal. This is a valuable tool that can help you learn from both your successes and mistakes. Record all your trading activities, including the strategies used, the outcome, and your emotions during the trade. Over time, this journal will provide you with valuable insights into your trading habits and help you refine your strategies. Finally, never stop learning and adapting. The market is a constantly changing beast, and to tame it, you must be willing to evolve. Stay updated with market trends, economic events, and new trading strategies. Remember, every trader, no matter how experienced, is still a student of the market. Trading may seem daunting at first, but with patience, practice, and a willingness to learn, it can become a rewarding endeavor. Remember, every trader started where you are right now. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and happy trading.